Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix please close interception before starting the game in games like Rust, Apex, Legends, and Fortnite. First thing I want you to do is go to github.com, just search for interception, get the one from this user right here, and then click here on code for this drop down, click on download, zip, extract it, install it so it'll overwrite the existing one, and then I want you to come here to search and just search for CMD. Open this up, and now I want you to go ahead and type this in, install a dash interception.exe space / uninstall, and then hit enter and let it run, let it uninstall, and then now when you go ahead and relaunch your game, it should have fixed the issue. You won't get that error again. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.